Okay, in this video we're going to be creating a personal website using Wix. Now I've just opened up Wix here and I've gone to all sites, and you will see this blue button here to create a new site. Now if we just click it, it's going to load up the Wix website creator, and we'll create using the Wix editor. Now Wix Studio is good if you're running an agency, but this is just going to be a personal website. That's why we're using this option, and we will set this up without AI chat. Now here we want to search for personal website, and you will see the top option being personal website. We can also do personal profile or personal portfolio. I'll just do personal website and I'll click on continue here. And it's going to begin preparing the dashboard, and I'll show you how we can set this up and choose a template and design for our website as well. Now the first thing that we need to do is create the name for our website. So I'll just do this, my YouTube channel, and I'll continue. If you want to skip any of these steps, you can just click on continue, or skip here, sorry, and we can also choose what we want to do with this site. For now I will just skip this. Which apps we want to add. The portfolio is going to be built in, as well as the blog, which is good. We will need those for our personal website, and we'll just select continue to dashboard here. Now we will need to choose the design site, or the site design, sorry. So just click on design site right here in the top right, and it's going to load up a bunch of different options from the templates here. So we're going to pick a template, and it's going to match with a personal website. So you can choose whichever design you like the most. I like the first one because it's clean, so I'll just go over to the first one, and if you have selected a design here, you'll just click on edit, and this will begin implementing the specific design to our personal Wix website. So it might take a little bit of time for the initial setup to complete. So just give it some time here to integrate all of the different applications and all of the different software which we have added to our Wix website. And I'll just give you the basics here in a second once this has finished offloading. Okay, so adding, setting up your app, finishing touches. Okay, and it looks like this. We can enhance it with AI content, but I'll skip this for now. And it's going to create the text for my site. Okay, so here how can we customize this for ourselves? So the very first option here is add elements. So if we click on it, we can add different text, we can add images, buttons, boxes, menus, anchors. I have plenty of Wix tutorial on my channel, so if you want to check them out, you can do so. And basically how Wix works, we can just left click on any section here and we can edit it directly from the screen. So if I click on edit text, you can directly change the text here, and goes for everything. So we got the Wix chat as well. So if I click on settings here, I can set this up so people can contact me. And you can obviously change the different menus here. If we go to the pages and menu, you can delete any menu which you don't want. So for example, I'll delete my blog here, and it disappears from the screen. So obviously you will customize this to your needs. If you need any further help, you can check out my channel for more Wix tutorials. For now, this is all. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.